Hello beautiful people, I hope you are doing fine. I'm good, and as you can see from the background, I'm in the village. And yeah, we are headed to the farm today. Today is farm day and I'm so excited, you guys. So if you're new here, click that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you darling for always coming back to watch my videos and ignore what's going on here. If you know, you know. And yeah, kuja usalimia watu. This is my baby cousin. Hi guys, what's your name?
Jason.
How old are you?
10.
10 years.
Yes.
Yes, so guys, we are headed to the farm to get some goodies, and I'm taking you guys with me. Yeah, and yeah guys, that's my other cousin, Steven. I forgot to show you my outfit of the day. It's pretty chilly, like it's cold, you guys. Yo, it's cold. I'm having this jacket on just to keep warm. And my pants, of course, my gumboots. You know, we have to be safe. So this is my village, and actually let me show you guys. Yo, watu huku ni wakulima, you see? Sukuma wiki, like ishamba yote, like it's crazy, right? Interesting. Yeah, so you'll get to see our shamba. So guys, this is the famous Nova, if you guys know it. Let me zoom in. The famous Nova Pioneer. Yeah, so we stay close to Tattoo City. I guess you guys already know that. I've shown you guys before. I have a video of my rich neighborhood. I did it huku in Tattoo City. Yeah, the famous Nova Pioneer. Yeah, and our roads in the village are quite good. So I was talking to you guys about my village. So it's a developed one. It's like sai imeendelea. We have big buildings, we have the center being developed and all that. Yeah, so this is Nova, this one here. The weather is not that good today. Yeah, we have lots of estates coming. Naona huko na bado huko. And let me tell you guys, all these places kulikuanga tu na coffee plantation. Even Tattoo City ilikuanga tu umejaa coffee plantation. But right now, yo, it's crazy. Like we have estates coming up. Zingine ziko complete. The roads are so good. Yeah, I'm happy to be in this era that my village is developing. Yeah, so this is the Nova. It's an international school, as you all know. And yeah, like imagine, huku kote kulikuanga ni coffee plantation. And I guess as time goes by, wanazing'oa because I guess they no longer bring profit as before, because the economic whatever you know about our country, you know. Yeah, but anyway, we are still walking to the farm. It's like, I'd say how many meters? Either 500. I don't know if it's a kilometer yet. I don't know. But we're still walking. Show them this river. Show them this. There used to be a a dam, uko, and now it's like a stream. Yeah. Let's go to the farm. And you guys, look at these houses. Show them. Look at these houses. Oh my God. They're so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. And tell me, yo. Hey, if I don't build a house in here, I keep telling my friends, listen, I keep telling my friends that once I get money, like enough money, I'll build a house here so that I can be like checking and peeping where I came from, my village, and I'll be so proud because I know that will come to pass. Watch and see. Yeah, watch and see. So guys, imagine tumetoka uko, and we are still walking. Eh, no hiyo coffee hapo, coffee plantation, but still bado wataingoa to bring up more estates and more houses. And I'm currently so happy because you see, mahindi na mea, by August we'll be having maize. Yo, you remember that time? Was it this year or last year? Kulikuwa na jua, like literally kulikuwa na jua, and everything was dry. Like all the food stuff in the farm ilikauka, even the maize zilikauka, and it was so crazy because bado hakukuwa na food and people are struggling. But we thank God for the rains. Yeah. Look at that. Oh my God. So guys, this is how you pick coffee. Like this. Like this. You see? This is coffee. So this is coffee, that's how you pick it. You pick the ripe ones. Hii yote, they'll have to pull it down. You see uko kwa hiyo kona uko, kuna wall already. Yeah. So tunaenda pale chini. We're almost there. Umeteko.
Juzi siku kuanga shule.
Guys, tushafika kwa shamba. So this is our shamba. Unataka kupitia wapi huko wewe? Tutapitia huko? Sawa. So tumefika. And yo, let me show you. Let me show you. Just look at that. Guys, look at that. Mbili kama zingine ni tatu zimemea. And pumpkins. These are beans we came to pick. Yeah. These are beans come. Naonekana kwa kichwa?
Yes, of course.
So my baby cousin ndo ananichukua video. So don't mind if it's anything, but I know she's doing a good work. So guys, tushafika kwa farm. And yo, oh my God, it's been a minute since I was here. So tumekuja kuchukua, I've already shown you guys the beans ndo tumekuja kuchukua. Naonekana center? Beans ndo tumekuja kuchukua. Show them the beans. Zenye ziko dry, they are still in the pods. Yeah. Yeah, and let me show you guys something. Let me show you. Sijui kama mtaona. You see uko ndani, those are avocado seedlings. Let me show you guys. Acha niwatafute. Tia place nzuri ya kuona. Like we have so much in the farm. See? Chili. Hizi zinaitwa chili in English. Ama pepper.
Pepper.
Si pepper. Si pepper. Chili. You see guys? You see? Tukona pawpaw. Oh my God, pawpaw. And actually we have other fruits that tunapenda kukula tukikuja. I don't know what they call them. You know if they are passion. Let me know. What kind of fruits are this? Yeah, we have avocado, mango, seedlings. Name them. All of them. Like there's so many. Maiva. You see, guys, we have like. Ukifinya hivyo ndio imeiva. Okay. So many fruits. Yo, and they're so big. So this is our seed bed for our fruits that maybe my uncle will plant later sijui wapi. Yeah? My guys, see, I was doubting her. See, just look at that. Oh my God. About talk about fruits in the farm. I don't know what we call this fruit, but see tunaitanga passion. My baby cousin tells me that, but according to how I know passion, this is not passion, but anyway. It's sweet, it's yummy. Like look at that. Hey. Guys, let me take you on a. Hey. Nini yo miwa. Ke. Ni tamu. It's a bit sour, it's a bit bitter kidogo, but na manage. Farm tour. Yo, do you see that? Tuko hadi na nini? Tuko na ndo hizi nini? What are they called? Negomonia. Sukuma wiki, sugar cane. Guys, imagine my baby cousin is imitating me. We have banana trees, sugar cane, sweet potato. See, naitangwa hivyo. Ndoma, arrowroot, sugar cane, again. Banana tree. Pumpkin, unaonyesha? Sugar cane again.
Yes.
And
wow.
Onions, guys, like sorry, we have everything in the farm. Wanaona?
Yes.
Onions, we have everything. Even tomatoes ni venye ziko kwa shamba. We literally have everything. Nionyesha?
Tomato ziko huku.
Ziko huku? Ama ziko on the other side? Nionyesha? Yeah, so guys, like literally we have everything from sukuma wiki to pumpkins to arrowroots to potatoes to cassava. Cassava iko on the other farm, maybe we'll see later. To bananas to onions. Yo. Chang na nateseka Nairobi. Home kukiwa hivi. Anyway, so we'll pick some onions for me and for home as well. So let's go do what brought us here. Pick the beans, tuweke kwa gunia, kwa sack, and then maybe pick other things later after tumefanya what brought us here. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this farm tour. And if I get time, I'll take you guys on the other farms. Iko pale juu na ingine iko mbali, but we won't go hiyo ya mbali. Tutenda tu ya karibu, si ndio? Yeah, so let's go pick some beans. And then after that, we can do other things. But I'm still enjoying my fruit. Guys. Yeah, so let's go.
Let's go. This. Teleles.
Terere ni tango na English. Is it asparagus?
Labda. You can see our garden. Yes. Yes.
My baby cousin is trying to imitate me. She's doing a good job. That's what they do whenever you pick a camera.
That is good.
That is good. What is good?
A garden.
Okay.
Hebu nikuchunie.
Njoroge,
Wako huko.
kuna gunia. Wanatoa kati ya.
Yeah. Yes. It's fruit.
I'm sure them the popo. But bado ijaza.
Yes.
This is a popo tree, guys. But you can see inaanza kutoa fruits.
Yes.
Bado ijaza. Kwa macho. An insect. Unaiona?
Utakuja hapa chini.
Sawa.
Haipendi kukaa huko juu.
To the farm, you never miss. Actually, my baby cousin alikuwa amekataa kuja na panga, and then my uncle was like, "Oradhiko, utare na panga." Like you never go to the farm without a panga. Like unaweza pata kitu you need to cut or carry. You need a panga. This is a go-to tool whenever you're going to the farm. Yeah, that's one thing I learned from my uncle. Always carry your panga. It's also as a protective tool. Unajizuia nayo in case anything happens. Yeah.
Back to the connect. Take this.
My baby cousin is all like, nipatie camera, I take videos. She might become a YouTuber when she grows up. If she's interested in that,
Yes.
I'll nurture her. Umeshafinya? Ina record?
Hey.
So guys, we are done picking the what are they called? The beans. This and that over there. Yeah, so we are going to kutafuta some potatoes and ngwashe and some chili and kales. Yeah.
Go.
Yes, I'm having my gunia, my sack where I'll put them after I've harvested them. So let's go. So guys, these are niwaru.
Mahindi.
Mshika. Acha ija koma. Tushike kamera.
Yes.
Nionyeshe. Guys, you see?
You see? Yes.
Like literally. Literally. On the farm we have everything. Everything. So when I tell you I'm a village girl,
Yes.
believe you me.
Yes.
But yes. We show them these potatoes. Waru. Na venye waru ilikuwa imepanda but right now imepungua. At least. So guys, I'm picking the kales and I just saw something. Let me show. You see a pumpkin? We have a pumpkin there and another one down there. You see that? Do you see that? It's gold. So guys, tumeshatoka kwa hiyo shamba. We are headed to another shamba. Uko juu, uko. Yeah, as you can see, people are planting sweet potatoes na mboga. You can see from that. Yeah, so tunaenda huko. My baby cousin anakula miwa. Yeah. Chunga. Look at him. Him. We're heading to the other shamba. So previously uko chini we got tembea tu pole pole kwa sababu tembea pole pole. Uko chini tumechuna sukuma, kales, potatoes. What else?
Sugar cane.
Beans. We plucked some beans.
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane. And yeah, we're headed to the other shamba. And this road is quite a busy road, as you can see. It's a very busy road. Very busy, actually. Yeah, so let's go and see what this other farm has to offer. Yeah, so mi naona. So actually this is our farm. Siwezi jiona but najua na record. This is our farm and it's doing quite well. Shikilia sasa. Usiweke vidole. You know guys, I'm tired. Hey, this life is not for the shamba. I'm tired honestly. Ebu onesha indo the shamba where we're going in. It's quite big. It's quite big, so tunaenda huko juu. Yeah. actually by August tutakuwa tume
Wow.
show them.
Zimeiva.
Hazijamea though. Zimeiva.
Kuna yenye imeiva.
You also here you still have the mbosho, mahindi. You can see venye zimemea. Oh my god, there's just something about farming that intrigues me. Like, this money, guys, this money. Farming has money, I tell you. Yeah. So we came to pick some sweet potatoes. Achana nayo. Some sweet potatoes. And actually there's a trick how you check kama kunayo. There's a trick how you check kama sweet potato iko. Najuanga like the soil inakuanga imeswell kidogo near the root. Yeah. Let me see. Open it. Oh, my baby cousin is showing me that this mahindi imemea, but not like kabisa. Let me show you guys. You see? Not like kabisa, but inaweza kulika. Yeah. So let's go. Let me show you. Unaona venye hapa pamefura? There might be some sweet potatoes in there. We will check with you. Yeah, so let's go. Tuangalie. Njoroge, niona. Tuone kama we can find any. If you'll be lucky to find some sweet potatoes. Yeah.
Wow.
I hope you're still enjoying the video. If you are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see more of these videos, let me know. Yeah, I'll do them for you freely. You know, your wish is my command, guys. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, found the sunflower. Beautiful. Usikanyanga nini? Chunga. Found the sunflower in our farm. They're so pretty. It's been a while, honestly, since I saw sunflower. Oh my god. There's some more. Mafuta gani? Oh, ni mafuta. Okay, ona huko. Oh my god. Baba huwa anatumia kupika? Okay. Like, oh my god, they're so cute. No.
Oh.
Like 2 big ones and then the rest zinatoshana hivi. Yeah, maybe we try next time, guys. This was a good day for us.
Wewe umeacha nini? Nini?
Waru. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Guys, I'm still amazed. Let me show them the sunflower. Like, my uncle has sunflowers in his farm. Interesting, right? Yeah. So, other potatoes that we found. Yeah, so we'll carry them home. And yeah,
Yeah.
let me talk to them. Let me talk to them, to the camera. Yeah, so guys, and some others actually over here. I had forgotten. Over here. Yeah. Pretty a good harvest of the sweet potatoes. Of the potatoes, not sweet potatoes. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Ukalala kwa huyu. Basi tuchukue hizi. recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hii nimerekodi venye mlikuwa mnaongea. We go. Interview. Oh yeah. Yes, we go.
We go.
Yes.
So guys, we are going to gather what we have. I hope it's recording like inajiandika inaendelea kurecord.
Yeah. Pore.
So,
Mhm.
we're going to gather what we harvested together.
Yes.
And then we go home,
Mm.
get some rest at least. At least these maize are longer than us. Ni kubwa, kubwa.
Yeah.
We are recording. Nice.
We go. Faster, faster. That is a bush. We, nenda kumwaga mwaga wewe. Faster, faster. Go, 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 go. Yes.
These are beans. Is it? Those are beans.
Whoa.
As well.
Wow.
Yeah. So, we're going back to the other farm, guys, to pick up. Vitu zenye tulikuwa tunanunua. We gathered. And then, yeah, we gave out. It was a good day, I'd say. You say what's happening now?
Mhm.
It was a good day. And yeah, it was a productive day at least. We have something to take home. We have something to take home.
Yes.
Utaki nichukue? What are they called in your language or in English? I can't remember. And they are ripe actually, like this one. It's actually ripe. Ebu fungua nionyeshe. There.
Wow.
You can eat. Oh my god. And that one as well. Yeah.
Wow.
And that. You see, yummy.
Yum.
You can never be hungry ukiwa kwa shamba, si ndio?
Yes.
Oh my god. You guys see that? See?
This.
Are you sure this is maize? Jaiva Sinta. So guys, this is what we managed to gather. We have potatoes. Hapa hizi zenye tumetoa huko juu. There are still some more huko chini down the sack, and some sweet potatoes and a pumpkin. We also have a pumpkin actually. I don't know if I can reach it. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see it? There's a pumpkin inside there. The beans. And now we want to get ready to go. And we have more chili here, like more pepper. Pili pili. So if you're my friend and you want pili pili, tell me, I'll bring them. I'll bring them for you. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, it's been quite a long day. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Road to 600 subs, guys. Yeah, and I'm so grateful for you guys for making me get to 500. Yeah, it wasn't easy, honestly. I'm so happy and I'm grateful. Yeah, so we want to get ready to go home. Yeah, we are gathering some things. My cousin sijui ameenda kufanya nini huko. Yeah, so oh yeah, I forgot guys. Nimejua ni nini natafuta. So apparently at home we have chickens and I also have rabbits. I'll show you guys. I have 3 rabbits. Yeah, so anazichunia majani. You see that? That's there. There. That's a banana. Yeah, that's a banana. For ripening or for eating, I don't know. That one I don't know. Yeah, you can see my cousin over there. Sijui kama mnamwona kimove. Yeah. So anatafuta majani ya sungura. Yeah. So guys, me I'm carrying this. It's quite heavy. And my baby cousins wako huko mbele. Asivuke. TV is the village life. Yeah. Sendo hapo. And for me, I'm carrying this. It's quite heavy by the way. Mbosho. My baby cousin amebeba si heavy. Like these ones, imejaa all the sweet potatoes and everything. Like it's heavy. I promise it's heavy. Yeah. So let's go home. See my hands when you ziko dirty. Respect the farmers. So guys, we want to wash our hands here. It's like a small stream. Huh? Yeah. Washing our hands here after a long day in the farm. Quite refreshing. This is like a stream, not like a river. River is like a stream. What's the difference between a river and a stream? A stream is a dog.
Sasa unarukia mikono wewe. Noga hapo miguu. Sasa mimi unanirecord.
Naangalia Moroki. Eko. Ile pale anatuangalia what we are doing. You'll jump. Be careful. Ngosha mikono. Washe. Sawa. Kini hata bado sijang'ara. My hands are not clean sana. But nitaoshea home zing'are vizuri. Niko tunataka kutoa hiyo uchafu. Osha. Umeshinda kubeba. Twende. So my guys, my baby cousins wameniacha hapo It's quite a distance actually. And I'm tired. Yo, I'm tired already. Uko chini uko. Ndo tumetoka uko chini. Hatunaenda uko juu. You can't see but it's quite far. Me, I'm tired already. Honestly. But anyway, we have to get home. Kaka kamechoka. Amka twende. Amka twende. Sasa kujikelea. Yeah. Like literally. This is the village life. And some people do it every day. Imagine, every day. And for me it's just a day. For some few hours I was complaining. It's so tiresome. It's very tiresome, guys. Yeah. But anyway, we gotta do what we gotta do to survive. This is the village life. Typical village life. So let me know what you think about the video. And yeah, I don't think I'll take you guys home. This is where I'll close my video. If you did enjoy the video, kindly don't forget. Oh my god, let me put this down and close this video. I'm tired, guys. Let me know. Oh my god, what do you think about today's video? And what more would you want to see in the village life? And if you got to this part of the video, guys, leave a red heart so that you can confuse wenye wakufika. Leave a red heart. And yeah, comment, like, share. Yeah, and get me to 600, guys. And thank you so much for your support. And yeah, today was amazing. I think it was a productive video and a productive day as well. So guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.